Okay. One of the gadgets that I bought while I was um, prepping for this trip was this little inverter that goes onto your cigarette lighter. This Prius has two cigarette lighters, one here and one in the back. And I was afraid that I was going to need more because my refrigerator freezer has a plug for a cigarette lighter, plus one of my cookers has a plug for the cigarette lighter. Plus, I needed more USB ports. So I got this particular device, and what's really cool about it, it has two additional cigarette lighters to it. So as power source. So I can hook up my refrigerator, which I needed today since my inverter for the plug-in is not working. And I have, let's see, what is that for? Oh, this one is plugging into USB. So I have extra USBs. So you can never have too many USB ports. So I'm so glad that I got this particular gadget. I got it at Myers. That way I have extra cigarette power sources for all my travel gadgets and so forth. And Ziggy, he says hello to everyone. So just want to share that with you. And you have a great day. See you in the funny pages.